everyone, welcome to the 22nd episode of What's New Atrangi. And today is something very special because we are launching a whole new category and it's for men. So we do have a few pieces from Sone Pe Suhaga which are brand new. Meanwhile, we have a very new variety of collection for men and it's something you really should have a look. It's a fantastic new arrival. So we are primarily doing brooches like this. Now this is something which men and women both can wear. My shirt is really not the most classic example, but this on a suit or on a bandi or on a Nehru coat would look very nice. And I'm gonna take you through a few products in that collection. So we have these brooches right here. These come in all different colors assorted. It's for 2250 each. Now if you see, it has this very nice brooch fitting. Now these can be custom and it's only for 2250. It's a perfect one for if you know a groom who's getting married or even someone who. Moving forward, we have these ones as well. So these are in different colors as well. It's a little more designer and a little more elaborate one than the previous one. This is for 2350. It comes in a blue, green and a polki white as well. Can be customized to a red if required. And we have this one which is relatively less dramatic but more statement making, and this one is for 2150. It is in a green, a red and a polki, and the piece has intense design. If you see, it's polki in the center and then you have diamonds surrounding it in antique gold. It looks very royal and rich when you wear it on a sherwani. We have this piece as well which is a nice oval. The brooch is of beautiful design and it has a very real touch to it. This is again in green, red and polki and it's for 2650. Anyone with a Nehru suit or a sherwani would look great wearing it. This one is a very pretty design as well, only for 2650. It's in a classic polki fit. And we have this one which is for 3250, which is again super smart, and the polki in the center is of very high quality, very wearable, and later these can be converted into pendants like I mentioned. Moving forward, our next trace of our Sone Pe Suhaga collection, we have Mang Tikas in this collection. So these are all, if you've seen our Sone Pe Suhaga earrings or the sets, you will see that they didn't have a lot of tika options and we've launched a few new designs in that concept. They're all in the range of 1950 to 2150. This is in multi. This one is for 2150 again with ruby, emerald and polki. This one is more ruby dominated with a touch of polki in 1950. This one is for 1750. Please take screenshots of anything which you're liking. We'll be happy to help you with more pictures and videos of the same if required. This is of 1950. This is for 1950 again, and this is for 1950 again. Now depending on your face type, you can choose the tika which you like. Personally, this one is my personal favorite. It looks super grand. And then we have these rings. These are like those gold ring styles. Again, you must have seen them in real quite a bit, and we are doing them in artificial in Sone Pe Suhaga collection. They look stunning and the price point is very reasonable. This is only for 1650. This one is a proper gold ring in a Mayuri peacock style. This is for 1650. We have this one as well, which is again a simple front-facing peacock with a throne. Super pretty. The polki in the center is also very attractive. This is again for around 1650. This is also a great gold ring with ruby detailing to it as well, only for 1650. This one's also a very dramatic piece. With ghungroos on the side. It is a very nice one, a nice gold cocktail ring, only for 1650. Meanwhile, we have this one which is again a stunner with a peacock in the center, a touch of ruby, emerald and pearls, and this one's for 1652. So this is our Sone Pe Suhaga collection, Mang Tika and rings which we just launched. This is a newest addition to our collection. We also have a few stunning kadas in that range. Now if you see this one, it's a very heavy gold kada with rubies, emeralds and a very nice detailing. It has a very Jodha Akbar vibe to it. This is only for 2950 for a single piece, and if you get two of them, it is for 5850. It's a very reasonable price, and for the look it gives, it's quite dramatic, and it's a new launch. You must grab Abakari detailing in blue in the center. It is super nice again, very wearable, super light in weight, and this one again 3850 for a pair. It is a very well priced product for the quality and the weight of it. If you, in fact, even if you take it, it looks like real gold. It has that kind of a feeling. Moving forward, Gold meenakari in pastel. It is traditional. It's a Gokru style, but it looks super young, and it's only for 2950 for a single piece. Moving forward, we have these bangles right here. This is 2150 for a pair. If you've seen traditional old gold jewelry from your mother's wardrobe or from your grandmother's wardrobe, you would have definitely had a piece like this. It's a single string of pearl with emeralds and rubies on the sides. Again, super wearable, comes in all sizes. We have a 24, 22, 26, 28, and it looks very real in a traditional vibe. Meanwhile, we have this one as well. Again, the old style gold bangle with ruby, emeralds and pearls. Very wearable, very classy. It's only for 2450 a pair. Moving on, we have this one, which is only for 1950 a pair. If you don't want to spend too much money and just check the quality, grab this one. It's a simple gold bangle again with rubies and emeralds, and this one is again for 2250 a pair. Moving forward, we have this piece as well. Sorry about the network issue that we were having earlier. We had a good number to begin with, but just the network dropped. Then we had this pearl one as well with ruby and emeralds. Very old style design, something which again would have existed in your mother-in-law's or mother's wardrobe. It's only for 2450. And this one is the last one that we have in a new launch, which is a simple one only for 1950. It is gold with rubies and emeralds, like we mentioned. So we try to keep a very small live this weekend. Wanted to show you the new gold pieces and the polki brooches. We hope you enjoy the live. Any video or photos you want from our team, we'll be happy to share it with you, and any feedback you'd like to give us, we'll be happy to receive it. Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday, and looking forward to meet you next weekend. Bye.